Hi, my name is Dr. Brian Berquist. I'm an associate professor at the University of Wisconsin-Stout, which is home of the Hotel, Restaurant, and Tourism Management program. Many of the recipes and videos that you have in the cooking CD have been developed by the students. One of the first items I'm going to be preparing for you today is an egg frittata. The first ingredient in the egg frittata is butter, and then white onion, green onion or scallions, and we've added some diced tomatoes. We have our egg and milk mixture. The milk helps make the eggs a little bit lighter. And then we have some shredded cheese. This one is some shredded cheddar. Some avocado as a flavor enhancer. And then we have an assortment of garnishes. Sour cream, cilantro, ripe olives, and then some sliced tomatoes. First we're going to heat up our pan, and then we're going to add our ingredients, starting with our butter. We're going to let that butter melt a little bit. We're going to add our other ingredient, the white onion diced. Then we're going to add our other ingredient, our green onions. Our tomatoes. And now we're going to saute. Saute is a combination of high heat and a little bit of that oil. The butter, that was that first ingredient. And if you need to, you can toss your pan, or you can just stir in your items. You really want to flip it so it gets down to the base of the items there. You want to make sure that your onions get slightly clear or translucent. Then I'm going to come over while that is sauteing, and I'm going to just mix up my eggs a little bit, combine them, kind of like you're making scrambled eggs. Once that's mixed in, we're going to add it to our mixture. Turn down our heat to make sure that that egg won't burn. We can even mix in a little bit of the ingredients so that egg gets down to the bottom, so your ingredients are equally mixed. You can mix in your ingredients by stirring it in to get an equal distribution of those ingredients, which will add color and appearance. And then we can finish on our low heat on the stove, or we can add it to the oven, making sure that you have a bake-safe pan to put it into the oven. Our egg frittata has been in the oven for about 20 minutes. We're going to take it out and check to see if it's done. The egg should be well set, as you see here. It should not be loose like a liquid egg in there. And then we're going to actually take it out of the pan. Now we're going to remove it from the pan. And now we're going to finish it with our other items. Our cheddar cheese, and now our avocado. You can arrange these in a pattern to make it more attractive, or you can have them diced and lay them in there. You can use as much or as little as you like, and then we can actually come back and garnish it with our tomato on the side, a little flour, a little bit of the cilantro leaves, a little bit of the ripe olive for color, and then we're going to plate on the side of it our sour cream. And there you have our egg frittata.